This video will acquaint you with the left hand and right hand limit of a function. In calculus, we use limits to describe the behavior of a function as the input values get very close to a certain point. We can find these limits by looking at the function's behavior from the left side and the right side of that point. This is called the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit. Let's start with the function f of x equals 2x, represented by this yellow line. We'll use pushpins to represent the values of x and f of x at different points on this rubber board. Now, let's start with the point x equals 3. This is x equals 3, and its corresponding f of x value is 6, represented by this white pushpin here, indicating that f of 3 is equal to 6. As we move to the left of x equals 3, we want to find the left-hand limit of f of x. Now, at the point x equals 2.5, represented by this yellow pushpin, its corresponding f of x is equal to 5, represented by this green pushpin, indicating that our f of 2.5 is equal to 5. Now at the point x equals 2.75, represented by this second yellow pushpin, our f of x is equal to 5.5, represented by this green pushpin. We'll move the pushpin that represents x towards 3 from the left side. As we move the pushpin closer and closer to 3, we see that the values of our f of x get closer and closer to 6. Now, as we move to the right of x equals 3, we want to find the right-hand limit of f of x. We locate f of x that corresponds to the point x equals 3.5, represented by this yellow pushpin. Then, its corresponding f of x value is equal to 7, represented by this green pushpin. Now, when our x is equal to 3.25, represented by this yellow pushpin, our corresponding f of x is equal to 6.5, represented by this green pushpin here. As we continue to move the pushpin closer to 3 from the right side, we see that the value of f of x still gets closer to 6. Therefore, the left hand and the right hand limits of our f of x at x equals 3 is therefore 6. We hope this video helped you to understand the concepts of left hand and right hand limits for you to gain confidence in your calculus skills.